Wow. A milkshake. Must have. What's up, you guys? It's me, Allison, and today I'm going to be making another one of my 10 things video. So this is going to be 10 things I hate about walking my dog. Now, I love my dog and all, and I would be completely, devastated, on the verge of, crawling up in a little ball and dying if something had happened to him. And I also know it is my responsibility for taking my dog out every once in a while each day. But some things just really bug me, and I'm sure a lot of you will agree with this if you have a dog. And if you don't, just let me know in the comments below if you want a dog, and if so, what kind of dog do you want. So please enjoy, and thumbs up for my little milkshake. Sorry if I had a bad impression of drinking, but it's, yeah. Number 1, when the dog takes forever. All right, hurry up, Marco. We don't got all day. Hey, get out of the way. Don't go on me. Go. Come on. Put me out of my misery. So, number 2 on the list. Excuse me. Yes. Excuse me. This is my wife's milkshake. We were about to move out of the home, and, well, she had that milkshake, so I kind of need it now. But wait, thanks, bye. Wait, no. That's bye. Call me. What? My milkshake. Number 2 on the list would have to be picking up your dog's poop. It reeks. Alright, it's about time. Now move it so I can pick up your filthy... Wait, that's poop? Oh, I thought it was like the city dump. Okay, that's enough. Alright, let's see what we had to deal with here.
If you ever see my milkshake again, tell it that I love him.
Number 3 on the list is when your dog tugs on the leash. Now, he doesn't do this very often, but still, he does this sometimes, and he used to. He doesn't anymore, thankfully, but he used to, and it was very frustrating. Wait, stop! Number 4 on the list would have to be when your dog runs off and starts chasing another dog. Marco, no, stay here and just take care of your business. Marco, no, bad boy. Get back here now. No way. Get over here. That's what you get, you stupid mutt. Number 5 would have had to be when your dog is constantly getting distracted, which makes it take longer. Marco, hey, come on, don't worry about it. Hey, come on, just take care of your business. Come on, let's go. Oh, come on, let's just go back in. Number 6 would have to be, Number 6 is when they pee on the sidewalk. Come on, dog, we don't got all day. Hey, don't. Oh, come on, Marco. No, not on the sidewalk. Stupid dog. Number 7 is when your dog wanders off too far from home. Hey, wait, Marco, don't go over there. That's too far from home. Come on. Hey, are you listening to me? Are you ignoring me now? Come on. Marco, now. Good boy. Hey, wait, Marco, no! Bad dog, get over here. You're wandering too far from home. Okay, I love you too. Oh, come on! Number 8 would definitely have to be when he marks his spot, he just kicks the grass, and it just annoys me for some reason. Marco, stop it! Number 9 is, and this isn't much related to taking your dog out, but it kinda is, when you accidentally step in other dogs' poop. Alright, you ready to go home? Alright then. Number 10 is similar to 10 Things I Hate About PE, only I had to do this every day. PE, I just had to do every weekday. So number 10 is basically I had to do this every single day. I mean, this stuff doesn't happen all the time. Usually it's number 1 that happens almost every single time I take him out. But yeah, and then whenever I pick up his poop, it always reeks. Ew. So that wraps it up for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this 10 Things I Hate video. And if you'd like to watch 10 Things I Hate About PE, I'll leave a link for that in the description below. Or if you want, you can just subscribe to my channel for more 10 Things I Hate videos. And for a chance to shout out next week, just comment down below what breed of dog you have. Or if you want a dog, then let me know what breed of dog you want. Or, if you'd like, you can comment down below whether you agree with this list or not, or about things you hate about walking your dog. Thanks, you guys. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Woohoo! Yeah! Wait, stop! Okay, that's horrible. Oops.